I just love you so much for that, babe, and I appreciate you, and I know the things that you've given up in your life and in your career to have a solid family. And today, I honor you.